Rajesh was a man passionate about teaching maths and science. He used to take tuition classes for the neighborhood kids in his home classroom. Every morning and evening, the room would fill with the eager faces of kids. Rajesh, or Rajesh Sir, as mostly known by his students, had a special kind of magic in his teaching. He could make every concept easy and interesting. With the modest income from his classes and the boundless joy from his work, life for Rajesh, Priya, and their two children, Rohan and Anjali, was perfect. Then, a strange and silent visitor arrived in the world, the COVID-19 pandemic. A lockdown was announced. Streets fell silent, schools closed, and a heavy quiet replaced the usual neighborhood buzz. One by one, the chairs in the classroom became empty. The vibrant charts on the walls seemed to fade, and the cheerful room now echoed with a lonely silence. Rajesh's income vanished. Days turned into weeks, and the family's savings began to shrink. Rajesh would often sit in the empty room, staring at the blackboard, his passion feeling like a distant memory. The light in his eyes, the one that shone so brightly when he spoke of stars and atoms, had dimmed. One evening, Priya sat down beside him. She said softly that though the room was empty, the teacher was still there. She reminded him that his magic wasn't in the chairs or the blackboard, but within him. Priya held up her phone, pointing out that while the world had changed, it had also connected people in new ways. She proposed that instead of waiting for students to come to him, he could go to them online. A tiny spark ignited in Rajesh's heart. He had an old computer but had no idea about online platforms or making presentations. He decided to try. It was a challenge, just like a tough math problem he'd give his students. His first few attempts were clumsy. He propped his phone on a stack of books to record himself. The lighting was poor and the audio was scratchy, but he didn't give up. He spent hours watching tutorials learning how to make simple, colorful presentations. His son Rohan showed him how to use free software to add fun graphics. His daughter Anjali became his first audience, giving him a thumbs up when a lesson was exciting. He started a simple YouTube channel. His first video was about explaining fractions using a roti. It got only a few views, mostly from his family. He felt a little discouraged. But Priya reminded him that every great discovery starts with a single experiment. So he kept going. He filmed an experiment showing how plants breathe. He taught with the same passion he had in his physical classroom, his excitement shining through the small screen. Slowly, something amazing began to happen. A student from another city stumbled upon his fractions video and shared it. From there, it was shared again and then again. Comments started to pour in. Students expressed their sudden understanding of difficult topics, praised him as an excellent teacher, and requested more videos. Many asked if he conducted online classes. Kids from all over the country and even from other parts of the world were tuning in. Encouraged by the response, Rajesh started his online tuition classes. His first class had 30 students, more than his physical classroom could ever hold. Soon he was running multiple batches, his schedule packed once more. The makeshift classroom in his house was now a global one. The family's financial worries faded away. They were stable again, and the laughter returned to their home. But for Rajesh, the victory was much bigger than money. One evening, as he finished a class with dozens of smiling faces on his screen, he looked around his room. It was the same room, but it felt different, bigger, more full of life than ever before. The pandemic had come like a storm, threatening to wash away everything he had built. It had locked the door to his classroom. But in searching for a new way in, he had discovered a whole new universe. He realized the most important lesson he had ever learned, one that wasn't in any textbook, that every problem, no matter how big, holds within it an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to discover a strength you never knew you had.